Our electronics clearly a star in trade last few sessions. Well, let's move on to another mid-cap stock that has been so active of late. I'm talking about TTK Prestige. Yes, the pressure cooker maker that we all know so well. Now, in the last 5 sessions, this stock has put on about 15% in terms of price weight. Mr. Jagannathan, chairman at TTK, joins in with his thoughts on how the business progress is looking like at this juncture. Thanks, sir, for being with us on the show. I want to first start by quickly getting a sense of the real estate plans that the company has going for itself, because as per some analysis that has been put together by our team, the 7-acre plot in Bangalore, that project is roughly sort of worth around 140 crores. Can you tell us about the real estate plans first?
That is what it is worth now. We are trying to develop it in partnership with a developer, and we're going to be building apartments and office complex. It's the permissions have been applied for. We expect to get the permissions by year end. And
this entire development is under the listed entity TTK Prestige. It's not a separate company.
No, it is not a separate company.
So why the diversification, and do you plan to go beyond this one plot? Will real estate become a focus going forward?
No, it's not a diversification. We happen to have a factory there, which we closed. It's in Bangalore. We closed the factory, so we're developing the real estate the factory was on.
So is it one-off, or could you look at expanding the realty side of the business?
No, it is one-off.
Okay, all right. So coming to the core focus now, how would you describe the business environment, Mr. Jagannathan? Volumes, how have they been doing for you, and what's the expectation on the growth front in terms of the immediate future?
The volumes have been growing very smartly. The market is looking up very nicely, and we expect that to continue for the immediate future.
Overall, what would your expectation be on top-line growth? What would be a reasonable expectation to have?
Top line, we expect about 20%, 21, 22%. Bottom line, about 100%.
Okay, fair enough. The raw material picture has been improving because aluminum costs have been coming down in the last couple of months. Do you expect that to aid margins? Where could margins stabilize?
No, correct you there. Aluminum prices have been going up for the last 2 months. They had come down earlier in the year. They are now going up again.
Okay.
But we still expect to largely maintain our margins.
But you will manage to maintain margins. Okay, fair enough. Finally, quick just check on funding requirements, if any, and the total capex outlay for the current year.
So the capex will be completely internally generated.
So no requirement of funds as of now?
No.
All right, Mr. Jagannathan, good luck with the business plans going ahead. That is a word coming in from TTK Prestige. Stock is very quiet today, but it has been flying around in the last couple of sessions. And they do say that the real estate development at Bangalore is a one-off. It is because they had a factory there earlier, which they've now converted and would be putting out some residential projects over there. Well, that's TTK Prestige. We've got Mr. D.D. Sharma joining in from Anand Rathi Securities to talk about the markets. Thanks, sir, so much for being with us.